YouTube here today with the Investor Side Quest. We're gonna go explore these three truck trailers. If you guys don't know who I am Professor Side Quest. I do explore many abandoned places and we'll do ghost hunting eventually. It's currently really raining really bad right now in Morganton, North Carolina, and currently right now I think it's like 9:02, and I have to record in here because I can't even hear myself. But this is rack 3 out of rack 4 and 5. So we're gonna get straight into it. What's up, everybody? You're probably wondering what I'm doing. The intro just happened, and yeah. So if you guys are wondering why the intro sounds so bad, that's on me. That's my bad. I'll take it. I recorded it, and I charge up everything. By the way, I have a mic, I have cameras, I have a thing that plugs into my phone for the mics to work, and I charge everything up, and I make sure they were working. They were working perfectly fine before the recording, and I go over there. I used it. It was raining really hard, and I pressed on the recording. I look at it, and the audio just muffled. So I'm like, okay, so what's wrong with it? And I check. My microphone was like right here in the bag. I look down. It's dead. So there's no mic in the video. It's just a forewarning. I'm sorry. The audio is really bad. Hey guys, we're currently in the first trailer. If you guys do enjoy my content, share it and send it to other people. If you guys who will enjoy this content. So we're gonna get straight into it. Okay, my bad guys. That's the entryway. That's where we entered in from. There's not really that much back here. I don't know if I can't see, but that's cool drawings. This is really cool though. Is there anything? No. Just more pipes, and let's see. Is there anything else? Okay, there is a book I saw. Oh, it is open. What does it say, guys? Zambella's Complex Office Truck Rental Checklist. Okay, so it's a firework company, actually. I did not know that. Sweet. Is there anything in here? Oh, plant shipment notice. What is it? 5 boxes of tune. Aerial. Package complete. Yes, received. Directions, okay. I don't know. Let's see what else is in here. There's a lock. I don't know. There's not one here. Look how creepy it looks out there, guys. Zambella's Firework Manufacturing Code, Emburg, Pennsylvania, I believe. Okay, we gotta go here. Oh. Okay. I just heard something. My bad, guys. Okay, my eyes are messing with me. Okay. It's raining super hard. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So, 242. Oh, okay. A ladder? A ladder? Then, Josh. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it is raining super hard here. I believe it's also thundering. But let's see, is there anything back here? Oh, footprints. Who's been here? What are you came here? I don't see anything. Oh my god, can you guys see anything back there? I don't see anything. So what is it? That show didn't have much. Let's go see if we can go open the other trailer. Oh my god, okay. Trying to be careful, guys. There's a camera. That's a... That's creepy, guys. Let's go back here. Oh. Oh, looks like there's a room back there. Sweet. And back here, 658. TR4. I just got on here. I'm currently in this right now. I'm ready. Okay, let's get on here. So there's rakes. Oh, ow. Okay, great. Yes. There's rakes for some reason. Okay. Okay, so we're almost done. Okay, that's where we have to jump down there. Oh my god. Ow, ow, okay. Guys, I'm generally terrified. Opens. Firework temperatures. All that. There's a log. More logs. Plants. I'm pretty sure. Oh, this might be the buns that start the firework. Okay. Here's more boxes. There's another thing that might start here. And guys, I'm terrified. Okay. Okay, Phil, Joe, Nick, Garrett, and Jeff. So guys, just for a football game, guys. Let's see. So Philip, guys. Philip Rivers, Joe Montana, and Joe Burrow too. Nick, who's in the NFL? Nick Bosa, Nick Foles, Nick Sirianni. Okay, Garrett, Miles Garrett, Jeffrey Simmons, Justin Jefferson, and Bean Butter Bean. I think that's everything, guys. What is up, everybody? I'm back near the end of the video, so I have some things I gotta say. So, I do got news. So, right here, I'll place it right here. Yeah, like right here. The junkyard is getting demolition. You're probably wondering why. They're gonna put it as residential. So, my first ever video location will be gone forever after this. And To all the viewers and to all the people who liked and comment on the channel, thank you guys so much for the support and liking that video. That's by far one of my favorite. It's by far my favorite. I don't like my other video, me personally, but I am going to miss it. And if you guys do like content more like this, stay tuned to the very end of my videos, and thanks for watching. And another thing is that, what's the other thing? So I haven't done any challenges at all in my videos because I've been just telling you about the history and the place about it. I want to add a little spice to it. So on every video from now on, after this video, you can count this one too. And so in the comments, you guys can comment whatever challenges you want me to do during the video for the next video. So I thought, because I'm like, hey, this is getting like it's easy just exploring a place and just looking at it. So from now on, you guys will comment a challenge to do for the next video. So honestly, hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you guys did, thank you guys so much for staying until the end. And to all the people who have stayed until the end of this video, I'll give you a little sneak peek. We're recording 2 more videos by the end of the month. So that's your little sneak peek to all the people who made it to the end. For all you viewers who actually, to the viewers that are loyal and watch my videos all the way till the end. So without further ado, let's get back to the video. What is up, everybody? Thanks for watching till the end. If you guys did enjoy the video, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. And this was cool. There wasn't much here. There was this room and chart glasses and hard hat. Rate this place maybe a 5 out of 10. It wasn't really abandoned. It didn't look cool to me. This room was really good. I didn't think there'd be room back in the truck. But the light goal in this video, let's say 10. But if you guys do enjoy this content, stay tuned. There's more to come. And we just hit 41 subscribers too. The goal before Christmas break, guys, is to hit 100. The big 3-digit. So, guys, did enjoy the video. Hope you guys stay tuned. And thanks for watching.